Are you struggling to decide between YouTube Shorts and long-form videos for your channel? In today's fast-paced world with an average attention span of just 8 seconds, yes, you have heard it right, it is just 8 seconds, the million-dollar question which the content creator asks is, which format of videos should we create to get more subscribers, more views, and earn more money from YouTube? In today's video, I will explain all the important points which will help you to decide which format is right for your channel, which type of content will give you more subscribers, and which type of content will give you more revenue. So please watch this video till the end as I will break down all these details for you and help you to make your decision. So what exactly are YouTube Shorts and long-form video content? In 2020, Google launched YouTube Shorts. It was done in response to growing trend of the bite-sized videos which evolved around the audience's short attention span. There was a growing popularity of the short-form video contents from TikTok, and subsequently Meta had planned the release of Instagram Reels. YouTube didn't want to lose this opportunity and let their audiences move to these competitors. Unlike TikTok and Instagram Reels, the YouTube Shorts are up to 60 seconds in length. These videos are primarily for mobile devices, and that's the reason you will see them in vertical format, unlike the other form of YouTube videos. To understand if YouTube Shorts are right for your channel, you will need to understand what YouTube wants from the creators. YouTube's primary goal with Shorts is to compete with other short-form video platforms like TikTok and Instagram. By offering similar engaging experience within the YouTube ecosystem, which now has both short and long-form content, they aim to increase the overall user engagement. Short keeps users on YouTube for longer periods as they scroll through various videos and ultimately increases the ad revenue potential. Providing a diverse range of content formats, long-form and short-form, discourages users from migrating to the other platforms. Shorts can introduce YouTube to entirely new user demographics, expanding their reach and potential for future growth. See the example of Zach's King mind-bending illusions with more than 600 million views. His tricks are catchy and perfect example of grabbing attention. Or you can see the example of Jenny Hoyos. She's one of the fastest growing YouTubers with her shorts averaging 10 million views per short. Whereas YouTube long-form videos are traditional YouTube videos which could be from a couple of minutes to a few hours long. They cover in-depth tutorials, podcast shows, detailed reviews, travel vlogs, and so on, where there are no time boundaries. Some of the examples of the long-form videos are Mr. Beast's elaborate challenges which have an average view of more than 100 million for each video. By the way, he is one of the highest earning YouTubers with an average income of $82 million last year. Now the next part is very important because it will help you to decide which content format is used in which scenario and if it can increase your views, your subscriber or revenue. And I will explain this showing key differences between the YouTube Shorts and long-form videos on YouTube. Content focus. Shorts prioritize quick, attention-grabbing content. Think snippets of information, challenges, trends, comedy, DIY hacks, quick workout tips, food recipes, or creative visuals. These are all catered for fast-paced life. Whereas long-form video allow for in-depth exploration of the tutorials, how-to guides, vlogs, travel journeys, reviews, interviews, podcasts, documentaries, or detailed analysis. Production style. Shorts are often more casual and fast-paced. Editing techniques can be simple or flashy depending on the creator's style, and it is quicker to create. Pretty much, you can use your mobile phone to edit these kind of videos, whereas long-form videos can involve more complex editing, higher production value, more polished presentation, and primarily longer time for editing. Audience engagement. Shorts encourage immediate engagement with likes, comments, shares, and swiping or scrolling for more content. Long-form videos offer deeper engagement where viewers can invest time in the content, leave thoughtful comments, and potentially spark longer discussions. Discovery and algorithm. The Shorts algorithm prioritizes high engagement and virality. Trending sounds, hashtags, and captivating content have a higher chance of reaching wider audience, and discovery of your content has a higher potential. This is one of the reasons there is a potential for getting more views for your videos, and hence Shorts can in turn have potentially more number of subscribers. Long-form videos on the other hand rely more on the search engine optimization, SEO, and building a loyal subscriber base over time. The algorithm promotes content based on watch time, viewer history, and channel subscription. Now you are thinking, if you're getting more views and more subscribers for YouTube Shorts, then your channel should focus on creating short-form content only. But here is the catch. Can you guess the last part of this puzzle? Yes, you're right. It is the revenue and your earning from YouTube. That is the last part of the puzzle. The average earning for the long-form videos are ideally higher than the short-form videos. The logic behind this is that there are more ads on the long-form video due to the longer time, in comparison to the short-form video where the number of ads would be less in comparison. To sum up, whilst the short-form videos could bring higher views views and more subscribers, the revenue isn't comparable to the long-form videos. The long-form content drives more loyal subscribers, convert to frequent viewers, and contribute to the long-term growth of the channel. So what should you do for your channel? Should you stick to the long-form videos or short forms only? I would recommend finding the right balance between the two, which can be a key for your channel's success. Use short video as a teaser for your long-form video. A balanced approach with both shorts and long-form content can help you maximize your views, increase the subscriber, and higher revenue. What's your experience of the video length, shorts or long? Share your thoughts and preferences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our next video, How Much Can You Earn from YouTube? You can also watch my full playlist on Grow on YouTube. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video.